The bulletin with this breaking update, and this is shocking to say the least. Police in Amravati in Maharashtra has now arrested an accused for allegedly sexually exploiting minor girls and circulating their obscene videos online. The accused reportedly groomed the minors before exploiting them, and this case has also sparked massive public outrage in the city. Now, an investigation is said to be taking place there as far as when it comes to several hundreds of what is now being said of these obscene videos that seems to be circulating online. And now police has jumped into action in what has now been said by promptly on part of this individual, who is also said to be a teenager in this case, how he lured the girls, minors in particular, in a love trap and then took them to Mumbai and Pune and apparently filmed then their obscene videos and circulated them on several social media handles. We have Rucha with us right now. Rucha, this is a shocker. Who is the individual? Has he been identified, taken into custody? And what about those videos there? Are the authorities now taking them down on social media platforms?
Well, in this regard, an arrest was made yesterday, and it is a person, a 19-year-old boy named Ayan Mohammad Tanveer, who is arrested, and he is allegedly reported as he was luring girls into converting, and he also formed sexual relations with multiple girls, multiple young college-going students, and then attempted to blackmail them. And this is not the only person that is in focus in this case. This arrest was definitely made, but the police are now intensifying the investigation, and as we are learning that there are about 180 girls who became a part of this unfortunate scandal, and with
Yes, we'll get an update also coming in on part of the BJP side as well, and the matter in which that has been raised by them in a big way, because the BJP leader has now made a sensational allegation. He has now been claiming that nearly 180 girls were lured through social media, and more than 350 obscene videos were recorded and thereafter circulated online. Now, the allegations have triggered a major public and political outrage as well, because the police are yet to issue an official statement, and further details are now awaited on the matter as far as when it comes to the developments in this case is concerned. How is the BJP now looking up at this matter is concerned, Rucha? Because it was there, when it comes to their point of view, who had picked up this on this very development there, that there is something amiss where several videos of these minors in an objectionable conditions or in compromised conditions were being circulated online.
Well, we are talking about 180 girls in this case who were already traumatized after learning that their videos have been recorded, and they were getting blackmailed by this individual. And there are several groups on Snapchat as well as on WhatsApp where these girls were invited in the name of education groups, and then they were contacted by some of the individuals, and there was also an allegation of introducing them to Islam and targeting only Hindu girls in this case. And after the BJP leader intervened, after Mr. Anil Bonde, who is the Bharatiya Janata Party's MP, he intervened. The investigation has now intensified. He has written to the Superintendent of Police of Amravati, and then the matter was taken into more serious way, and now the investigation is underway. And now, if we look at the modus operandi of this particular individual, there are several people. There are more people who are reported to be part of this scandal, and where over 350 videos and pictures are recorded. And the panic started when the videos started getting viral on various social platforms. This particular individual, Ayan, had reportedly blackmailed several girls, and there are more people that are linked to this case. Now the investigation is underway, and the Amravati police are taking cognizance of the seriousness of this case, and several acts, including the Information Technology Act, POCSO, and with the help of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the individual is now booked, and the investigation is underway. But it is very concerning, a very alarming case that has come to light, where over 180 girls, 180 Hindu girls who were targeted for converting to Islam and who were targeted by getting blackmailed of the sexual acts that was by luring them into
online. But Rucha, also let's connect with Mr. Anil Bonde, also joining us here on the phone line. Anil ji, if you can tell us exactly how did this case come to light, especially when it comes to over 350 videos, sir. ये कहा जा रहा है 350 से भी ज्यादा videos है, objectionable videos है, minors की videos है, that it was being circulated online, sir.
First of all, I thank Honorable CM Devendraji Fadnavis that he has given clear direction that to curb all this racket. And initially the information came to me that it was the videos were sold in the Paratwada. When I investigated, I have seen that number of girls are entangled in that. And not only single Ayan is arrested. Now the recent news is that 4 persons are arrested. In the morning, again 2 persons are arrested. One of the accused, Ayan, he has committed that he had contact with the more than 7 girls, and the 49 videos and 37 photographs has been recorded from him. Now this is a more, it is having tentacles not only in the Paratwada but Amravati, Nagpur, and we can say if we can search, it may be beyond that. Because those videos were sold in the market on the porn videos, and these boys, they were spending a lot of money on the girls.
Okay.
So the money was coming. They used to register in the coaching classes, and though they were not the student of any of the college, but they used to register in the coaching classes, and they used to contact the girls who are of the 11th and 12th standard. That means
so you are saying, Anil ji, that this was not just one, but probably a criminal syndicate that is now being busted, and are those videos being taken down, sir?
Yeah, this is the totally criminal syndicate. It is a gang, and they blackmail the girl. They blackmail the parents of those girls. They threaten to their life, and they also force them to for the conversion into the Muslim religion, and to repeat all these things throughout their life. And that is very dangerous.
Very absolutely, sir. If you're saying that there are more arrests that has been taking place, we'll get that confirmation on part of the police. But thank you very much, Anilji, for joining us here on the broadcast. A criminal syndicate is something that the BJP is not ruling out in this case. We'll get you as far as another Congress reaction that has been coming in. They are also denouncing this act by a 19-year-old who has been now taken into custody. Absolutely shocking as far as over 350 videos, minors, girls there, obscene videos that has been circulating online.
ये बिल्कुल गलत है, घृणास्पद है। इस तरह का करना, यौन शोषण करना, औरतों को फंसाना, ये जो चला है ना, और उसका मजहब भी बदल देना, ये बिल्कुल गलत बात है। इसके मैं पूरी तरह से विरोध में हूँ। और कहाँ न कहाँ ये जो आज वातावरण समाज में हुआ है ना, इसकी वजह से ये सब होता है। ये हमारे नौजवानों को समझाना चाहिए कि मोहब्बत करना कोई गलत बात नहीं है, कि प्रेम करना कोई गलत बात नहीं है, लेकिन इसके लिए मजहब बदलना ये बिल्कुल गलत बात है।
Well, we'll keep a track on the developments in this story. Let's shift focus about the other round of political controversy. With the number of seats in the Lok Sabha that are all set to increase from 5